Welcome back. Now, seeing as the market is closed, we'll just get a quick breakdown of what happened today. So our first trade, we can go straight down into here. We can see the downtrend. So I was just waiting. I was just waiting for that little break. Once we got the break and we got the retest, we got the confirmation, we entered, and we got a really big push off this. Um, closed really well. And then on the close, we should have just kept this running, to be fair, but because of the small account, we had to secure the profit. Um, and then let me explain this sort of thought process because we entered quite quickly and grabbed some continuation. So I seen it was rejecting our H4 zone, didn't quite reach it, and we were starting to get these wicks. And that's what made me close out basically. And then it dragged down, and then we got the pump up, and as it was sort of these were coming in, there was no sort of new lower lows getting made. So I was like, okay, so the buyers are still in control, and then it makes another sort of little push up, and then on these candles down here as well, it's still not making any new lower lows, and then this form of resistance that was forming, which was rejecting, we are now supporting it. So that's what gave me the confirmation to enter, and we've done that, and then we took it up. And we grabbed just over a couple hundred pips on that. Yeah, just 200 on that one as well. We let time fly, let it keep going, let it keep going. Let it keep going. We've seen that the sellers were coming in because we get this higher high, falls down, it touches our zone. I completely missed this. A couple of lads got this as well, which was a great little buy. It comes back up now, which made me basically skip this and not take an entry here was because we weren't making higher highs. Okay, and it was failing. So the volume was shifting. We weren't getting the higher highs. It was showing that buyers are starting to lose this fight and sellers are coming in, and which they did. And they drove that price down. We missed the sell here on the break and retest because I was still bullish. I was thinking maybe this H4 might hold, but obviously it clearly didn't. It got tested, didn't really give a push up, and it just smashed right through. But as it smashed right through, it was just time to sit on hands, and then we just sort of stalled until our next sort of key zone, and then we need to zoom in on the 1 minute, and then we see it starts respecting. So we take an entry, so it comes down, we get a bounce back up, it comes back down again, and we don't get the lower low. So there's our break and retest. So that's why we went for that, and then we were going to target the next zone, but it did get weaker, and we closed out just a little early. And then just before market close here, I was watching it, expecting like some sort of break up here. I was looking for something sort of like this. Um, and then just to confirm the bullish confirmation and then go. But as we were watching it, we got this huge sort of, I don't know, we'll call it sort of slippage really. It just fucking dropped, and then I noticed it was dropping down to sort of 4,300, and then I said to you guys sort of last night as well, like keep an eye on this level because Asia was supporting it before it crashed down. Support was forming there, so we just went for the entry really. No risk, no reward. We did catch this one in a short, so the short that was posted today, that is this trade. And then, yeah, we just sort of left it. So we're just going to wait and see what happens in Asia. We'll see if it supports or if it rejects. And we'll just sort of go from there. We'll just wait until, like I said, we'll just watch Asia. We'll probably not take any trades, get some sleep, and then we'll see where London is. And then we can just sort of make our plan from there tomorrow, guys. But it was a really good day. The balance is now looking good. We're now just under $400, just over $400, sorry. And this has only been trading with two 0.1 lots, 0.01 lots, sorry. So yeah, almost a 3x in a couple of days. So it's just showing you don't need big lot sizes. You just need to trade off the right zones and just look for the right indications. The market gives you it. You just need to know what to look for. But yeah, we'll keep this challenge going. The screenshot did get posted in the group chat, so everyone knows that the current balance of the account is 400. And yeah, like I say, if you guys are liking what you see, just like and then just follow along. There's a Telegram link if you want to get involved as well and learn how we do this. Yeah, take care and have a good night. We'll go again tomorrow.